Hello and welcome to day 56 in creating this PHP web framework series, and this is part 4 of the database backup section. So in the previous video we were continuing with the database stuff, didn't really get very far with that, tried another library, didn't work, and also just updated some of the built-in libraries, the one they can easily toggle on and off, like basically the front-end libraries such as jQuery, Bootstrap, that sort of stuff, and just added another one which is Material by Google. So yeah, this was the one I was trying to get to work yesterday, and it's giving me an error. Let's have a look at this again. No, it was in the backup file. That is the equivalent of this line. We got the using namespace thing here, so good. Host, yeah, I don't know if it's connecting properly, because if I put a password in there and I go to here, says connection to MySQL failed with message, access denied for user, using password yes. Whereas if I don't put a password in, because the local root by default doesn't have a password, it's okay. But it says warning. I'm gonna copy this. No. Failed to open stream. See if we can get any look like this. I was already on the wiki before. What, I don't want to create a page, I just wanted to see something. Look at PHP unit, see if that's of any help. Nope. I'll check the MySQL version, that should be new enough. Don't see why it wouldn't be. PHP version 7. And MySQL version is do I find at the MySQL version. I don't know if that is the PHP My Admin version. PHP My Admin, check MySQL version. So the message, just give me a moment. So software version. That's a very new version, so shouldn't be an issue at all. Because This is quite old, so I don't see this being an issue. The version, unless it's too new, I don't think it'll be that. How to export onto a table using PHP. Ooh, there's some sort of tutorial here.
Hello, friends.
Yes, hello, friends. We are already connected, so that's fine. That's exporting it to CSV. Don't particularly want to export it to CSV. Actually, let me have a look at something else. So we're already connected. I feel like I already tried this. I'll try it again. No harm in it. I'll just comment this part out. I'll just delete it for now. Okay. Table name is users. Backup file, that's fine. Select into out file, backup file from table name. The DB has to be this. SQL connect. So let's just open up the DB class. So that is the connection. Okay, let me have a look at something else. So PHP. I'm gonna have a look at what their MySQL login example like. Yeah, it's pretty basic, but gets the job done. Okay, so actually I just need to make a note of something. Done. Okay. So I'm gonna do PDO backup database. Let's try that. Don't want to do it using PHP my admin. I want to be able to do it via a command. Okay, I'm gonna try putting that. I'm gonna put it actually into the database class. Whack this as a public. I'll sort out indentation and all that other stuff afterwards. $host user password database. I'll whack that in target file path. Yeah, I'll have to set some target file path as well. So copy that. Now in backup, I'm simply going to do if db get instance echo success, else echo failure. Echo failure. So export database, and for this it required a few parameters. Required the host username and password. I'll copy that into here. Host is username, database name, and for this I'm merely going to change this to something like target file path. There we go. Let me retry it. On line 28. $248 on DB. Target file path is undeclared. Oh, there's no dollar there to indicate that it's a variable. So failure. And we can have a look, but it's not looking good then. We go to applications, XAMPP, HD docs, PHP. I'll have a look in the views section, but I don't see why it would ever be. They should just be in the public if it just gets downloaded here. So something failed. What failed? Even that doesn't seem to be very good. Okay, I'll keep this tab open. Nah, that's just PHP my admin export, which again, we know how to do that. We're not interested in that. See which one this is. Can I just register using something like Google Plus or Facebook? Oh yeah. I have read this bloody blah. I did confirm that. Your account was created successfully. Do I need to go back to the page, or will it take me to the right page? I'll just go back manually. Was I not logged in? Okay, so let's just download that, see what we get in here. New window, and let's open this up. DB class. The example is actually pretty simple. I'll try this, why not? I'll whack this into the dump file, and this will, I'll copy this. Don't need the top line because that includes you automatically using the framework. Save that. In backup, I'm going to get rid of this. And now I need to change, oh that's fine. I need to change this to this, this to this. Even though that was all correct, still good to change it anyway. Okay, I'm not confident. Okay, oh, seems to have got everything. Methods of the same name as their class will not be constructed in future versions. Okay, forget about that for now. Has that saved it? Okay, that's a good sign. Okay, it's got everything in here. We go to users. That's the user session users. So yeah, that's all here now. Make sure it hasn't deleted anything. Yeah, it's all here. Okay, that's a good sign. This isn't what we want anyway. We got it from here. So we have the. Let me quickly go through what else we have. I want to see which one. This is about the same as what we've already just got. If it is, fantastico. Okay. No, I'll ignore that. I want to go back to the dump one again. Dump. What other methods do we have? We got backup. Just backup, okay. That's fine. Okay, so I'm gonna Google PHP create text file. So I'm gonna do that. Paste that into here. I'm not gonna put any of this in it yet. I also want to get this actually working as is. Make sure that it does save it. Failed to open stream, permission denied. And if it is just a localhost issue then. Open localhost. Now have a quick check of the port. Port 80, yeah, that's fine. So let's go back to it, see what we were doing. Creative file. Again, F open is not working. Okay, PHP grant file permission. Let's see if this works instead. Okay, so let's have a look. Permission denied still. Have a look, but it doesn't look like it. Again, I'll check in here. Nice 9 here, so it shouldn't be. No, if it's gonna be, it will be here. Line 45 here. F open localhost permission denied. I feel like we're very close now. Do I have the okay? So let me check the permission for this. Do I just do? So I clicked open. I was at the bottom. Looks like I've got the permission. Read and write. So I'm actually gonna create the file, so test file, and see if that works instead. My phone is ringing. Just give me a moment. Okay, I'm back. I'm gonna have to cut this short. Actually, it's at the 30-minute mark. So yeah, the usual stuff. If you like the video, do all that stuff. There'll be links in the description. We will continue with this next time. And yeah, thanks for watching. I really need to run. This was meant to be a little later than it actually. This call was meant to come through. But yeah, I will see you soon.